Cube root of 125 equals? Answer is 5. Simplify. September 10th? Answer is 9/10. Simplify. April 11th? Answer is April 11th. Log 2, 32, equals? Answer is 5. First term equals 7. Difference equals 10. Find term 9. Answer is 87. If square root of x equals 5, what is x? Answer is 25. Find the missing term. 7, 17, 37? Answer is 27. What is the common ratio? 3, 15, 75, 375? Answer is 5. What is the common ratio? 2, 10, 50, 250? Answer is 5. Square root of 25 equals? Answer is 5. Find the next term. 13, 20, 27, 34? Answer is 41. Cube root of 216 equals? Answer is 6. Cube root of 64 equals? Answer is 4. Simplify. August 7th? Answer is 8/7. Log 2, 2, equals? Answer is 1.